Cheap bone conduction headphones are all over the internet right now, but one name keeps surfacing: the POLVCDG X1.
On paper, it's a dream. Bluetooth 5.4, 32GB of internal storage, and IPX6 waterproofing, all for about a fifth the price of a pair of Shokz.
Let's start with the unboxing. The packaging is actually quite clean. Let's see what's inside. So it comes with the accessories box and the X1 headset. Inside the box, we've got our Type-C charging cable. I love that they used a standard port here instead of a proprietary magnetic one. Then we have the elastic adjustment band. This is a nice touch for people with smaller head shapes to ensure the transducers stay tight against the bone. Finally, the user manual, which honestly we probably won't need, but it's good to see a brand introduction book included. Now let's take a closer look at the X1 headset. First impression is incredibly light. This frame is a titanium alloy, which is the gold standard for bone conduction. It has memory, meaning I can twist it like this and it snaps right back to its original shape. It weighs only 25 grams. The headset has physical buttons. On the right side, you've got your power multifunction, volume up and volume down. In my experience, physical clicks are much better for sports than touch controls, which usually fail the moment you start sweating. Now let's talk about the charging port. Lots of cheap and even some premium bone conduction headphones use proprietary magnetic pins. If you lose that specific cable while traveling, your headphones are effectively bricks. The POLVCDG X1 uses a standard USB Type-C socket. This is the same cable I use for my iPhone 15 Pro Max. Beyond convenience, Type-C allows for a more robust mechanical connection and technically a more stable 5-volt charging rail. They included a rubber seal over the port. Since these are IPX6 rated, that seal is your primary line of defense against sweat and rain. By the side, you can find the microphone, while behind it we have the LED indicator light. I inspected the transducer section well and couldn't find any openings. This means that there are no speakers inside like some fake bone conduction headphones.
So let's power the device up by holding down the power button for a couple of seconds.
The X1 runs on Bluetooth 5.4. For a budget chip, that's impressive. It means lower latency and better power management.
But the secret sauce is the 32 GB of internal memory. By double-clicking the power button, you switch to MP3 mode. One of the biggest complaints with wrap around headphones like this is that if you have a smaller head, the band bounces while you run. And this ruins the bone conduction efficiency because the transducers lose contact with your skin.
The headset comes with adjustable elastic tension band included in the box.
You slide it onto the arms of the headset like this, and it pulls the back of the frame closer to your skull. This ensures a constant snug fit against your cheekbones, which is vital for maintaining that vibration-based audio quality.
Alright, let's pull all these data points together into the engineering scorecard. When we look at the hardware objectively, the wins are clear.
At just 25 grams, the weight to comfort ratio is top tier. Even though the frame is a bit stiffer than the 150 competitors, it's a mechanical trade-off I'm willing to make for this price. Quick note, there is also an X1 Pro version. The engineering is identical, but it adds a 3-mode LED lighting system built into the frame. If you are a night runner or cyclist, that extra visibility is a massive safety win for just a few dollars more. Now, if you're a swimmer, the X1 won't cut it. You need to look at the POLVCDG X16. The big engineering upgrade here is the IPX6 rating, which means it's fully submersible up to 2 meters. It also swaps the USB-C port for a magnetic charging interface to ensure a 100% watertight seal. Check description for links to get any of these products. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.